If you live alone, how do you know you're snoring? After all, you're asleep. There's an app out there, Snore Lab, and basically you put it on your smartphone, turn it on, and you set it on your bedside table, and during the night it gives you a readout and records everything that happens. Things to remember when you're using an app like Snore Lab is that you have to make the room quiet. When you wake up in the morning, it'll give you a number. If you have a score that's more than 10 for more than 3 nights in a row, you probably have a snoring problem and need to get it evaluated.